Hey there, SEO legends. Welcome back to SEO Success Secrets. And today we're diving into something absolutely game-changing: how to optimize your Instagram for SEO. Whether you're a savvy content creator, an influencer on the rise, or running a dynamic business, these tips are going to turbocharge your visibility and skyrocket your audience on Instagram. Are you ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? Let's jump right in. So first things first, what is Instagram SEO anyway? Well, just like SEO for websites, Instagram SEO is all about making sure your profile, your posts, and everything you do on the platform are easy to find. The goal? Reach a bigger audience and attract more followers. Sounds awesome, right? In the world of social media, being discoverable is everything. So, let's break down some super effective strategies to optimize your Instagram and really stand out. All right, the first step, optimizing your profile. Think of it as your digital business card. It's got to make a great impression. Start with your username and display name. These should include relevant keywords that describe who you are or what you do. For example, if you're a travel blogger, try to work travel into your username or display name. It helps people find you quicker. Next up, your bio. This is prime real estate, so use it wisely. Make sure it's clear, concise, and packed with keywords. And don't forget a call to action. Tell people to check out your latest post or visit your website, whatever action you want them to take. When you're creating a post, don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Think about what your target audience is searching for. A good mix of popular and niche hashtags will help you reach a broader audience and stand out in both crowded and specific spaces. Also, make sure you're engaging with your community. Respond to comments, like and comment on other people's posts, and use those interactive features like polls and questions in your stories. Not only will this boost your engagement, but it also helps you build a stronger connection with your followers. And don't sleep on location tags, hashtags, and stickers in your stories and reels. These little details can make your content more discoverable and increase your chances of showing up in the Explore section, which is huge for visibility. So there you have it. Some super effective tips to help optimize your Instagram for SEO and really boost your visibility. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more SEO and digital marketing tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.